All right, guys. This is it. This is it. All 2025s. 2024 Sledge. 2025 XRT Ultimate. It evolved from the 2024 XRT Ultimate. And 2025 4 Raptor R 4x4 Ultimate Edition. There you go. Ram 1500 Rebel. Oh, that sure look good. Oh, look at that. This is even better. Man, I wish my Ram TRX Havoc Edition was here right now. But I got some good news. Next year, I'm going to have two big trucks. 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel and the 2023 Ram TRX Havoc Edition. One is for work, and the Ram TRX Havoc Edition on weekends only. Because you can't drive the Ram TRX Havoc Edition to work. You can't drive that every day to work. Because people been stealing them a lot. So let's drive this XRT Ultimate. Second one. I ain't got no light kit, but it's getting dark soon, guys. That's not motor. You hear that sound like that? That's like that in the manufacturing. My other one don't sound like that. But it wear off though. When it breaks in, when it gets fully break in, you won't hear that no more. It's those gears, hardened steel. It's got the 2050 hardened steel. 2050 hardened steel. Hardened steel gears. Those are hardened steel gears. Same thing like my other one, baby. Same thing. Clean truck, 2 miles. This is the second one. Oh, we got a car coming. Oh yeah. Oh, never mind. He turning. Oh, he turning. Yeah, I gotta watch out for cars, guys. Yeah. XRT Ultimate, baby. 3 miles. Oh. Almost hit that curve, y'all. That was my fault. I almost crashed my brain or XRT Ultimate into the curb. That was my fault, guys. I gotta turn the brake down a bit. That color came out much better. good right there. Ooh, look good. Look at that. Look much better. Except for the XRT Ultimate Light Kit. So that's gonna come soon. So I'm gonna get the XRT Ultimate Light Kit put on. So there you go, man. Have a good demonstration. Wow. So you can see it much better. See the difference? Oh, got people walking down the hall. There you go, guys. It's good right there. Now we're gonna do the Raptor 4x4 Ultimate Edition. And that's about it. That dog better be on a leash. Okay, good. The dog's on a leash. As long as the dog's on a leash, I'm good. Raptor 4x4 Ultimate. Still a little squirrely. There you go. That's it, guys. Subscribe. Oh, yeah. Woo!